moon in sky at night. Spin around, have some fun. A perfect shape for everyone. Shapes, shapes, come and play. Find their colors every day. Triangle, square, and star so high. Let's learn shapes, give it a try. Triangle has three sharp sides, like a sailboat when it glides. Square is sturdy, neat, and true. Four same corners just for you. Rectangle, long and tall. Windows, doors, we see them all. Star shines bright, diamond too. So many shapes to show to you.